Humble media friends, nirok tini payment bagai. Sung TSF ninggu sini press conference asok ninggu. Ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an logo tong sini Vice President Pintu, sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas, sini Assistant Finance Secretary Somor, an yagara tong sini Joint Secretary Reno, sini Assist Central Leaders, Divisional Leaders, jotno tongu. Tini jeng press conference asok manik omana nirok sigur jeng TSF kedua salro sini movement teman nanti Roman script nanti jeng kai pai 2020 ni jeng kisah governor ni jeng memorandum roka jeng nirok nukhana aman porega jeng strida koka board by malaika jeng memorandum to ya paring tong haipana teman nukjaka government rok assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai Roman script by biset khaijang nai te Bengali script biset khaijang nai sung amono goseng na ka haipana sung tak tumanukha thangnai 17 March kok rok paper CBS ni tongmani aro Bengali script by set khaijak question paper kaise board exam se yak by suijak question paper baksa hoi man nerok tangai CBS ini simi khorang tisa CBS ini guardian student of sumai contact khaika sung boron thang visit khaika TBS ini sung khorang sok khalia haipana sung boron wai sung khorang tisa itu amo sung public ma busine tabo sung kabang memorandum roka kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai sung akai sung TSF omana sung decision khaika sung tabo kebo ai malai liya borok sungai phai ma malai nai sini students from the future thangjagai tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangjagai khorang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sigi ma kha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko group par nga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians ro niro ni support na nirok support khaya ke chini movement success singla sung jotno no koinai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kokbrok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non kokbrok speakers omo nirok no fight nirok mabusi nai sung kokbrok saya sung tangai thane kongke any movement success singla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kobrok sanaya haibano khaijaka blai harassment amo sung mabusine boni bagai TSF sung jebor pano sini je phan tongsa sung khaini tong thangnai strike khaibro bo sing leaders or jotona case masaka kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian rok ma busi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati gusin bai khai to and our future generation thanai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singnai ni baksa saka posi pore maya bai ka suinai ba borono roman script bai phrungja kha government assure khai ka ba borbo waso kha yes roman script phrungpano question paper roman script bai dang nai tabok jeng appeal khainai TSF ready tongo TSF basta hinga ni ready tongo nirok logade tong amo sita question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakhogoi tongo sini TSF nengai sung jota political party jota organization jota student organization joto borok nirong na appeal khainai o movement no success khagen bagi sung nogo thugoi tongoi simi TSF no simi nai sagai o movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haifana nirong ni support karika movement bagi success nai my dear student you should understand nirong bai sung fight khai tongo sung case masai tongo nirong kirigai nogo tong tong ha o movement success ngla guardian rok ma businai sung sika khana 21st March kokbor paper 12 ni nga thangi tong Baksa hongkai mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tu prano hol musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khorang kisane haya niro public ong ma busina students niro dress kai no khadi sung loge tongo niro ma busina sung niro ni bagai sung je khai ma saksi ni phan tong sak sung khai ne tong public rock especially we should understand tumang gui dong sini movement tangai success nya 50 years nang tangai sung ma busina bone bagai sung joto organization joto student you may be from different community different tribe khanani all movement of participate khagen bai sung koi nai the government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung by contact ma khai nai you may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khai nirok problem solve khai musu khangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready ni tongo talk ni bagai haibana our students should not be played again language atoi question paper subject atoi sini student atoi politics ta khai sakthang sini student ni future manago ta thang thang nei chung naige bon bagai sung TSF sung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukh khono goi chung ma ba sapika sung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities all the political organization NGO social organization